In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove payment method on Facebook page. So first of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings and privacy that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, tap on this option settings. Now you'll be able to access the settings and privacy over here. Scroll down. Under the section for payments, you'll be able to find this option for ads payments. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the payments interface. You'll be able to see your payment account over here. So right over here, you'll be able to find this section for payment methods. If you have added any payment methods, it will be displayed over here. Right now, I do not have any payment method, but I'll tell you what to do. So what you have to do is simply find the payment method that you would like to remove. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on the three dot icon next to that particular method. Now tap on the option remove. Tap on the option remove again in order to confirm the removal. After that, the payment method will be removed. So that is how you remove payment method on Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.